Now we'll see the second problem, that is analyze the continuous beam shown in figure. This is a continuous beam of span A, B, C, D, 3-span continuous beam. AB is end A is fixed and end D is simply supported. So AB is carrying a load of point load 40 kilonewton at a distance 2 meter from A. BC is carrying a load of 10 kilonewton per meter at a span length of 4 meter, and CD is carrying a load of 30 kilonewton at a distance of 1.5 meter from A. So the first step for this condition will be to find out the fixed end moments. So first step is, as usual case, find all the fixed end moments. MFAB will be minus WAB square by L square. MFBA will be plus WA square B by L square. MFBC will be minus WL square by 12 and MFCB will be plus WL square by 12. MFCD will be minus WAB square by L square and minus MFCDC will be plus WA square B by L square. So you have found out all the values, fixed end moment, same step as the previous case. Now the second step is to find out the distribution factor. For finding the distribution factor, first we need to recognize joints. Here in this case you have two joints, joint B and joint C. So first you are considering joint B. For the joint B, the members are BA and BC respectively. So for the joint B, the members are BA and BC respectively. Then BA means it is a fixed end. So it is I by L. The relative stiffness is I by L, that is I by 5. Similarly, BC is a continuous support. So it is again I by L, that is it will be I by 4. I by 4. So you can find out sigma k, that is 9I by 20. So distribution factor will be, for BA it will be I by 5 by 9I by 20, which is 4 by 9, and for BC it will be I by 4 by 9I by 20, which is equal to 5 by 9. 5 by 9 plus 4 by 9 is equal to 1. So these two are correct. Now secondly you will have to calculate the joint C. Joint C is considering joint CB and joint CD. CB means it is having a so CB and CD are the members. CB it will be it is a continuous support, so it is I by L itself, I by 4. But D is a simply supported end, so it will be 3 by 4 into I by L, that is 3 by 4 into I by 4. 3I by 16. Find out sigma k. For CB it will be I by 4 divided by sigma k, and for CD it will be 3I by 16 divided by sigma k, 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. Sum is 1. So the distribution factors are correct. Now we'll move to the third step, that is the moment distribution table. For finding the moment distribution table, first we'll write all the joints. Joint, there are A, B, C and D. Then we will have members. Members for A, the members are AB and BA. For B, for A, the member is AB. For B, the members are BA and BC. For joint C, the members are CB and CD. And for D, the joint member is DC. Now next step, write down the distribution factors for the joints and the members. Then write down the fixed end moments. Okay, till this step it is clear. Fixed end moments we have written. Then we need to write what is first step is, if there is any simply supported end, you will have to release it. So here D is a simply supported end. So you will have to first release the simply supported end. That is, in this case, this D 10.55, DC will be minus 10.55. Adinte pagudi CD like carry over cheya. Carry over half of the moment to the nearby member. So here it will be 0. And let us find out the initial moments. First, release the simply supported end. അതായത് minus ആണെങ്കിൽ add ചെയ്യുക, plus ആണെങ്കിൽ subtract ചെയ്യുക. So the net moment there is 0. Carry over half of it to the respective corresponding member. Okay, so initial moment you have found out. Now balancing. Balancing means ഒരു jointൽ വരുന്ന B jointൽ വരുന്ന moment തമ്മിൽ add ചെയ്യുക, multiply with the distribution factor, put the negative sign. Okay, add these two, multiply by 4 by 9, put the negative sign. Add these two, multiply by 5 by 9, put the negative sign. Add these two, multiply by 4 by 7, put the negative sign. Add these two, multiply by 3 by 7, put the negative sign. Then carry over. Carry over BA to AB. ഓക്കെ, ഏതാണോ മെമ്പർ ആ മെമ്പറിലേക്ക് തന്നെ വേണം ക്യാരി ഓവർ ചെയ്യാൻ. ബി എനെ എ ബിയിലേക്ക് ക്യാരി ഓവർ ചെയ്യുക, അതിൻ്റെ പകുതിയിലേക്ക്. ദെൻ ബി സി ടു സി ബി, സി ബി ടു ബി സി. ഇതിനെ ക്യാരി ഓവർ ചെയ്യേണ്ട, ബിക്കോസ് ഡി സി ഇസ് 0. സോ കീപ് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് സച്ച്. Then find the net moment. Add all these. Add to the initial moment. Find the net moment. Then again repeat balancing and carry over. Find the net moment. Again balancing and carry over. Find the net moment. Continue this step until the moments at the joints become equal. That is equal and opposite in sign. That is at the joint B, the moment is 15.35 for BA and minus 15.30 for BC. So 17.6 and minus 17.61. You should continue the iterations until the moments become equal and opposite sign. Then stop it there. So these are the net values of the moment. After that, with these moments, calculate the shear forces as we have seen in the previous examples, previous methods. Okay, similarly find out the shear force moments and draw the pending moment diagram and shear force diagram.